Guys, good afternoon. Welcome to College Math, and today we are looking at how to find prime factors. In our previous videos, we learned how to find the factors of numbers and then the highest common factors. We've also learned how to divide numbers for year 3, 4, and then 5. And then, so today we are going to look at how to find prime factors. Now, aside the factors that you find, we are looking at the prime numbers in the factors of the numbers that we are going to find. And we know that prime numbers are numbers with only two factors, the number and itself. So they are divisible by only themselves. No other number can divide them. Alright, for example, 2. 2 is divisible by only 2. If you take 3, but if you take 4, 4 is divisible by 1 and itself 2. So we have 4 has 3 factors, which means that 4 is not a prime number. 4 is called a composite number. So any number that has more than 2 factors are composite numbers. But we are looking at prime factors. Now, to be able to find the prime factors, we are going to use what we call the factor tree. The factor tree, or decomposition of the numbers. Now, it's easy when you want to find the prime factors using the factor tree. For example, we have 48, so this is the factor tree. Now, if you look at it, because we are able to do the divisibility of numbers, it's easy for us to be able to divide the numbers, right? Because this is an even number, which means that 2 can go into 8, and then we know that 2 will go here to 4. So we have 24. And then so we have an even number, so we have 2 here, 2 go here, which is 12. So we have an even number, 2 go into it, which is what, 6. We still have an even number, 2 go here, 3. So we realize that we circle only the what? The prime numbers. We circle only the what? The prime numbers. So our prime factors is going to be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And then we look at how many times we multiply the 2 by itself. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is 2 exponent 4 times 3. Now we are going to use this one to find the LCM of numbers. We are going to use the prime factors to find the LCM of what? Of numbers. Now let's try an example. Let's take a number like 630. Now, if you have a bigger number, alright, if you have a bigger number like 630, you can, and this one is very easy because it ends with 0. So you can divide by 10. Now, dividing by 10, we can write 10 here and then 63. Because dividing by 10 here, we cancel with 1 0. Alright, then we decompose these two. So if you take 10, 2 can go into 10 5 times. So we have a prime number here, we have another prime number. Then we take our 63, which is an odd number obviously, and 3 can enter it. So 3 will go here, 3 will go here, 21. And then we take our 21, 3 can enter, another 3 will go here, 7. So we have 3 here, 3 here, and 7 is a prime number. So our prime, but the prime factor of 630 is going to be, we have only one of the two, so 2 times the 3, 1, 2, 3 is the power 2 times 5 times 7. So we have 2 times 3 raised to the power 2 times 5 times 7. Alright, so try and do the examples on the board, and then you can pause the video and then try your hands on as many as you can. Alright, see you in the next class. Bye bye.